Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, NM Group. Here we're going to travel together to different places around the world and share our experiences with you. Thanks for following us. Today we're going to one of the best ice cream shops in Rome. The name of this amazing ice cream shop is La Romana del 1947. Let's go inside. This shop has ice cream in many different flavors. Let's go try it. This shop has all kind of cakes and it also has tiramisu, so you can treat yourself to this delicious dessert. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks! It even has an official website, which you can access by scanning the QR code to check out the different flavors there as well. Wish you all were here! It even has a lab inside, where you can see how the ice cream is made right there. La Romana del 1947 is a traditional Italian gelato shop that started in Rimini in 1947, famous for its natural ingredients and traditional methods. It later expanded to Rome and other cities, while keeping its classic flavors and high quality. If you want to know which branch I went to and how I get there, make sure to watch the rest of the video. Now I'm going to show you how to get to La Romana del 1947 San Giovanni branch. As you can see in the video, La Romana has many branches in Rome, so you can visit whichever one you like. No matter where you are in Rome, you need to get to Termini. From there, take metro line A towards Patticini and get off at San Giovanni station. As shown in the video, you need to buy your ticket from the ticket kiosk you see in the video, or you can purchase your ticket online using the link I've placed below the video. Finally, we've arrived at San Giovanni station. From here, it's about 5-minute walk to the gelato shop. Later, you will see why I choose this branch. When you exit the metro, the whole street is full of shops you can check out along the way. The reason I choose this branch is that there's a real scenic spot nearby, which I will definitely show you in the next videos. If you want to motivate us to keep going, please subscribe and follow us. Thank you! And finally, we've arrived at this amazing gelato shop. Our adventure for today is over. See you in the next video. Bye!